Hey guys, I'm over here at Jose's Lair / Cave, or Jose's Cave / Lair, whichever sounds better or good. And we're gonna do another Spanish lesson, and today we're gonna learn the Spanish syllables with letter F. So the Spanish syllables with letter F sound as follows: fa, fe, fi, fo, fu. Once again, fa, fe, fi, fo, fu. One more time: fa, fe, fi, fo, fu. Those are the Spanish syllables with letter F. Keep practicing Spanish syllables every day until you memorize the Spanish syllables. Eventually, you will be able to pick up a book, a children's book, a newspaper article, a magazine, a cartoon with letters on it, and you're gonna be able to recognize some of the Spanish syllables. Now, why are we learning Spanish syllables? Spanish syllables, we're learning to learn how to sound out Spanish words. By learning how to sound out Spanish words, you can learn how to read Spanish. And then by learning how to read Spanish, then you can start recognizing words and learn Spanish while learning how to read. You may be able to learn how to read a word or a Spanish syllables, but it's going to take practice for you to actually learn the meaning of the words that you're reading. So just keep practicing, and then eventually everything should just start picking up automatically. And like I said, it's better, or it's a lot better, if you learn Spanish syllables with a children's book, because you'll be able to read the words, relate them to that pictures, the graphics of the book, and you'd be able to correlate the words that you're learning how to speak, the syllables that you're learning how to speak or sound out, with the image of the book. So try that out. And that's it. That's another Spanish lessons at Jose's Cave. Stay tuned for the next one. Don't know when, it's whenever I get a chance. So it could be a week, a month, 2 months. But the main key is you're getting the basics, and from the basics you can go a long way. Have a good day, guys. Till the next video.